When introducing solid foods to a 1-year-old baby, it's important to focus on offering a variety of nutritious and age-appropriate options. Here are 5 healthy foods that are generally well tolerated and suitable for 1-year-old babies. 1. Avocado. Avocado is an excellent source of healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. It can be mashed or pured into a smooth consistency, making it a great choice for babies. 2. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are rich in fiber, vitamins A and C, and potassium. They can be cooked until soft and mashed or cut into small, bite-sized pieces for the baby to pick up. 3. Yogurt. Full-fat, plain yogurt provides calcium and protein for a growing baby. Look for yogurt without added sugars and flavorings. You can offer it as is or mix in some mashed fruit for added taste. 4. Cooked and mashed carrots. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene, which is converted to vitamin A in the body. Steam or boil carrots until soft, and then mash or puree them for easy consumption. 5. Cooked and shredded chicken. Chicken is a good source of protein, iron, and zinc. Ensure it is thoroughly cooked and shredded into small, manageable pieces for your baby. Remember, always introduce new foods one at a time and watch for any signs of allergies or intolerances. Additionally, consult with a pediatrician or a registered dietitian for personalized advice based on your baby's specific needs and any existing dietary restrictions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and let us know in the comments what videos you want to see next. Your support and feedback mean the world to us. See you in the next one. Take care.